everybody, I'm humbled to have you back on my channel. So today we're going to talk about BB cream. Like, I've never used BB cream, hey? Like, I know about it and I thought, when I figured out foundation, that's the end of the road. Like, I borrowed them, but I'm not quite sure if they're my shade, and I'm actually not quite sure how to go about it, how it will feel on my face and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna give it a try. So I've checked out on YouTube and Instagram, internet and stuff like that, where they tell you how to use BB cream. So I'm going to give it a try on camera, and the ones I'm using are from this brand called Black Radiance. And there are two different shades. The one is cafe and the other one is coffee glaze. Like, they look pretty much the same, I don't know if you can see the difference, because really I can't. I personally feel that though one of them is my shade, so we're going to find out. Also, we're going to find out what the buzz is about for BB cream, and I might just move to BB cream then, if it's doing the job, if it's as they sell it to be. So we're going to start with cafe. So before we start, as you can see, my brows are done. By now you should be knowing how to do your brows, because I did a tutorial specifically for you. Intimate, one-on-one, we were doing our thing. If you still don't get it, you can inbox me. I can do another one-on-one with you. But really, check out the link in my description box so you can learn how to do clean brows like this. Well, I think they're clean. I don't know about you. Anyway, so while I'm on this, last time I spoke about how my skin is misbehaving, and I've started a new routine for like 7 days now. I'm still on it and I don't see any changes, any differences. So I'm gonna do it again for another like 7 days and see if anything changes. If not, then I'm gonna try something new. So yeah, remember my other video. If you don't know about it, please check my description box. I listed there a video where I used or found a way to repurpose wrong shade foundation. Yes, girl, I've got you. I got you. Okay, so we are going to start with the first BB cream. This one is in shade Cafe. I am going to do it on my right side. Okay, here goes. It's new. It's got like, little aluminum foil on there. Fairly easy to peel off. And I've got my beauty blender with me. I went somewhere earlier in the morning, so I did my makeup then. So we are going to, hence you see dirty. Anyway, so here we go. Just a pea size, they said. And I like using my fingers to apply, and then I'll see how it goes. I'll either blend with my fingertips, or I'll use the beauty blender. We'll see how it goes. So okay. Your thoughts so far, anybody? Kind of looks like my shade though. I think this is the one actually. Need a little bit more. Ooh, it feels cool, very cool on my skin. I can't tell anything about the weight yet. Can't tell if it feels heavy or light on my face. Ooh, the nose be shining. But anyway, okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend in with my wet beauty blender. It really looks like my shade though. It feels almost like I didn't put anything on my face. so far. I don't know, guys. Like, I've got a lot of spots and marks, so it really has to do the job. Really, I don't know. I do not know. So, ooh, but it looks really nice. The left side, I'm going to work with coffee glaze. Okay. And I like their foil closures. They're just like very easy to peel off. Okay, this is a little bit lighter than the other one. Or are my eyes deceiving me? Yeah. Okay, let's give it a try. Thoughts, guys? Because I'm feeling like I might qualify for both shades. But it really has to work. Hey, it really has to cover a lot of my blemishes, like, you know. I feel like right now I'm the best person to review foundation and powders for coverage, because like I have a lot of blemishes at the moment. So okay, let's give this a blot. It's definitely lighter, hey? Okay. I can already give it like, you know, a low mark on coverage. Unless like I have to make layers, but we're going to try it out. We're going to try everything out. We're going to see. But like, or maybe I use it sparingly. I don't know. Like I don't, you know, who's with me? Like I don't like layers of foundation. Almost like somebody can come and scrape a whole layer off, a whole mask on your face. It's not how I envisioned makeup, you know. So this is Miss Coffee Glaze, and this is Cafe. I look like I have a clean face. Like it didn't make the spots vanish, okay? But okay, you know what? Let's try a whole layer again. Okay, so this is the final turnout. On this side I've got coffee glaze, and on this side I've got cafe. Oops, it's the other way around. Okay, this side I've got cafe and this side is coffee glaze. I actually think that I qualify on both shades. Like, you know, what you're seeing on camera is what I'm seeing with my two eyes. I feel though, okay, first of all, it's not even heavy at all. It's very light, but it's very hydrating. It feels like I've got a layer of some kind of moisture on my face, but I do feel that, oh no, it's foundation, it's cream, it's something. Okay, I kind of changed my angle so that like the light really hits on my face so that you guys can see the difference. Just want to see on this side. I don't know, it looks the same, guys. Since I've got this BB cream on, maybe I should just continue. So as a first timer, I would definitely give BB cream a thumbs up. I don't know if it is the BB cream from Black Radiance that is doing the things for me, but if I just stick to BB cream, then it's a go. It's a go. Alright, so, and as you can see, or maybe I'm the only one that can see it, that there is no difference from this side to that. So I think I actually qualify in both shades. So if they don't have the one, I can use the other one, but I really would encourage you to try BB cream. And I'm too lazy to do my hair, guys, so I'm just going to rock up my natural hair in my quarantine buns. We still living in quarantine, should say social distancing hairstyle. So I'm just gonna keep it like this, and I'm gonna go quickly for a home shoot. Stay tuned. And once again, I hope I taught you well and I entertained you enough for you to come back for more.